This is a mine, and I just wanted to show you some of the other things that we can do with the data. So this is north to south. So if we run a change model over this, we can actually see what's going on in the mine between the two different dates. So we can see most of the changes happened in this area, and there's been some deposition here as well as here. So those are the new stockpiles that have come in. The scale bar here is in meters, so most of the removed material has come from this side. As we have a bit of a zoom in, you can see those changes in 3 dimensions there. Most of the changes happened here in this face. So we can look at this area quite closely and get some measurements out of it too. So here we've got about 13 meters worth of material that's been removed. So if we look up here, about 13 meters there. That's where the current face is. And here's the previous face versus the current face down here. So there's about between 4 and 5 meters of material removed in this area, up to 6 meters in these pink areas. So if we have a look at the volumetrics of what's been removed in the face itself, we can see that 35,900 cubic meters have been removed from the face. Around 735 have been added